One man don't come outside, they narrate how our Navy force inside Nigeria set them up, after which these people now, they can't still decide to abandon them. And in fact, now by the grace of God, now make this man still there alive. This man, they claim, say, time will be saying he's supposed to retire. Now that time, our Navy can't decide, say, make him go inside Abuja, go they fight bandits. And before you go see, they won't use style, just kill this man, abandon him for there. My people, make now follow me watch.
And God so good, I've attained the numbers of years that I'm pensionable from the service and I can discharge from the service. So I decided to put in when an offer came for me. I decided to disengage from the military 2018 to be precise. So when I put in to be discharged from the Navy in 2018, January to be precise, a table came up at about February that same year, and around April, the table was conducted. After that period, I was sent for an operation in Pegi. Pegi is a suburb in a community under Kuje area council in Abuja. While I was sent for that operation, there's no way I could have objected. I still have to obey all orders, still being a military personnel. June, I went for the operation to be precise. In Pegi, there's a place where it's called a bush track in Pegi. Bush track in Pegi is where all the evil activities happen in Pegi. So one of the days while we were on our regular routine patrol, we passed that same spot and they felt maybe we've gone into the barracks and retired for the day, but we were still around and we pinned down somewhere. Along the line, we had a gunshot inside the bush. So I decided to move in with my men, where we actually packed the in-laws so that we could come down and flank them in from the bush. They were already all over the place. Actually, we discovered they used an arrow formation. So they were already there waiting for us. The moment we packed, they opened fire on us while we were in the e-logs. One of my men was shot in the leg, while I was shot 4 times. One on my shoulder, the other one below my shoulder, the third one by my neck region, and the 4th one to my head. It came through my headdress in the car while in the e-logs. So we started exchanging fire. The firepower was much, and we discovered that there were 40 in number, over 40 in number acts at that point. So I managed to escape for my life into the bush. While in the bush, I saw some of them came to the e-logs. They came and checked, believing that they have killed us inside the e-logs, but they got there and did not find anybody. So while I was retired, nobody informed me that I was retired. So after that time, the salary was not paid, and that is how I suffered with my family for 1 year. Along the line, I wrote a letter to the Chief of Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Ibas. So I told him on my letter what transpired. So immediately he said the Navy should constitute a medical board. The medical board was constituted by DHQ, the Defense Headquarters Hospital in Mogadishu Cantonment. So while I was sent for a series of tests, they discovered that all the things I have said is still in my body. I have a bullet lodge in my body. From my shoulder down is filled with bullets. In fact, the MRI scan they said I should go for, I could not go for it because of the metals in my body. So after that time, my retirement was changed, that I should be retired on a medical ground. So while I was retired on a medical ground and my gratuity was paid, there was nothing attached to my normal gratuity that was paid to me is the normal gratuity I should have received if I had retired on that same level I was. There is nothing embedded in it for me to take care of myself after my retirement. And it has not been easy.
Now, wow. It means that some people don't really sacrifice for this Nigeria, what they call a country. But still, they don't even recognize all the effort they don't put inside this whole thing. If say this man now go die for that operation, in fact, I will just talk say Sahara to the man. Because now the end there. Because according to the Navy document, you don't suppose be on retirement. So how manage you come inside forest say you go fight these people? I sure say this whole thing now planting. They don't notice if this guy come out, the kind of money they go pay up, they don't get the money. Then now why they come say make they pack all these people now, go dump them for that place. And after this guy still can't even get the mind, come outside of that place alive. I hear say the Navy people, they don't even still come go meet and say, okay, make we compensate you. Money will be said that they even pay, they can't cut the money. So they not going to pay them again. Small money wey be saying they get, now im come use now take dey treat himself. Person wey be say collect 4 bullets. And our government, they no reason say, okay, this one, they suppose at least try help this man. They still want to punish him by not paying him. I know they understand. Sometimes, on a sure say this whole thing no be planting. This whole bandit fighting and Boko Haram, on a sure say no be planting. Because the guy claims say, even as they reach this place, it be like say these people don't they wait for them. Immediately they reach, now there they begin attack. Now what make me suspect say all these our politicians, they just say a bandit, but they know what they do. Now then send these people go there. But what they vex me part now the fact say on a one neglect the man. At least hospital be on a supposed cater for him. Money will be say family supposed even give them. Because the man don't retire. At least more cash supposed enter in hand. Now I can't leave him. Making the living life by himself. But this man now he don't come outside they seek for justice from the Navy. Say because he knows if he come out alone, he no go fit win these people. Now why they call out on the public, make they come support and fight them these Navy people. Because they just want kill and set them up, just leave and just like that. On top something will be saying no be say even commit any crime. Just be say because I dey fight for Nigeria now and I won't go kill me. So this one me I support this man 100%. Make him go challenge these people. If na lawyer be na human rights people you go find them, may they help you fight this fight. Anyways, my people now here I go end up on this matter. Make una stay tuned for our next story. Nothing where we no go see for inside this Nigeria we do. Hey, I hear say inside Kano State, among all the old projects we dey for Nigeria, the governor of Kano, wey him name na Abdullahi Umar Ganduju, this man don decide say he won't commission car wash. Then na wetin he won't put inside his own state as a governor. My people, they can follow me watch. In fact, I pity us as Nigerians. But Aboki will continue to be Aboki. On I see the kind jubilation where they among them, these people, they shout, say Baba, they happy. I beg, which one are they happy for? Because I did very sad to say all of them are waiting for that place. Half of them no get car. What be say that what even carry and say that they go wash up. So what take be the essence of this whole thing? But Mr. Governor, I get one question for you. I beg you ask your states people now then one time it's okay. Now what they need be this? I be you just decide say okay, now what you want go do be this? Because me I dey very sad to say every money where they go generate from this business, now your pocket they enter. So how be say this one way they do now, it can't help the whole state. Other things they you know reason to make you drum. School they you know reason to make you do that. Hospital, what if be hospital? Hospital too big. Ordinary pipe burn water because I know say most of all these kind of places they don't even get good water. You know things can say make you at least do this one for them. Now car wash. What be say now you go benefit people will be say get cars like you. But I see they talk on a days they numbered. The way when they destroy this our country, one day now go catch up with all the wahala way they do. Anyways, my people now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.